So Patrick, there were these two blocks that were installed in the back of your boat, and we figured out. Well, Derek actually told me today he had figured out a long time ago what they were for. There was a metal plate screwed to the bottom of your boat, and that metal plate had to screw into something solid besides just the bottom of the boat. And so you can see from this where the metal plate was screwed into these. And so these were added apparently in 42, or if they were added in 43, the guy was still carrying $42.50. What we did is where these were, we extended all the way back to the back of the boat, and you'll see a little relief. Let's see, yeah, you'll see a little water passageway back here that you didn't have originally, and that water passageway will allow any water getting trapped back here to move forward in the boat. So basically, this new piece that starts right back here and ends right behind the frames up there is taking the place of this smaller piece that was in place, and then of course we've got a new support board for your rudder packing to fasten into. And we have fastened this to each of the stringers. So that's the repair's almost finished. We're doing the transom bow today. He's working on that. We replaced some pieces of rotted interlayer here, and that's all glued in with 5200. And so, and you can see here we've got 5200 squeezing out, so that we know that hardware is bedded properly. And so anyway, it's progressing real nice, and you're pretty much on the budget. We've got these planks on the outside of the boat. We've got all of the area that it fastens up to. That's all cleaned up, and we'll put these planks on with 5200 back here. And same thing on this side. We'll put those planks on with 5200, and then we're going to reuse the stern plank because it's actually in quite good shape. So anyhow, that's the extent of the work there. We're getting started on your fuel tank today, and everything's good. Talk to you soon.